Usually, instead of creating threads manually, so what we do is we are relying on the executor service from the concurrent library to do that for us. So for example, in this case, what we do is we are using executors and we are calling a new fixed thread pool. So we are creating a thread pool with the some number of threads. For example, in this case, we are creating only a thread pool with the 3 threads. So why we are doing that? Let's say that we have an example. Let's say our application is accessing database and we can only open 100 connection at the time to the database. So we need to make sure that we have at most 100 thread accessing database at the time. So for that, we are using a thread pool. So in this case, we have created executor service with at most 3 threads running at the time, and here we are creating 5 tasks, right? So execute, and we are submitting those tasks to our executor. So executor, it takes, so you can see here, it takes as an argument, it takes the runnable task. So we are creating a simple task here, and our task is just print the task number and print the current thread. So we will only create, as a part of this program, we will only create 3 threads which will perform 5 tasks, right? So the first 3 tasks will be performed by the threads. Then after that, as soon as the thread finalizes its task, it will pick up another task that is in the queue. So let's run it and see that. So for example, as you can see here, right, we have created only 3 threads, thread 1, 2, and 3. And they are executing the task. They executed the first task, second task, and the third task. As soon as thread 1 or thread 2 finished the task, it takes another task from the queue. It takes the task 4 from the queue and finalizes it the same way is the thread 3. It picks the task from the queue and finalizes it. So if we can add here more, right, but the thread size won't change. We will have 3 threads that are working on those tasks and finalizing them.